Plano Tackle Storage, protecting your passion since 1952. Extra long bulk storage, great for organizing tackle and other small items, ensures items stay protected and dry. Dri-Loc O-ring seal and 3 tight sealing cam action latches ensure a safe airtight protective environment. Creates 4 to 23 adjustable compartments for versatile storage options. Transparent for quick and easy identification of contents. Dri-Loc O-ring seal. 3 tight sealing cam action latches. 4 to 23 adjustable compartments. Extra long bulk storage. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommended. Photos. These are quality lure storage boxes. Seems to take a ton of abuse and keep on ticking. Some reviews have stated they are not watertight. What is minus military grade? What will be experienced is condensation inside the box because they seal so well. Leave them in your boat outdoors, bound to happen. Upgraded latches are a bonus. I can attest to the quality of these boxes. I have had the same old style box for 10 plus years and they are still going strong, but some reason, wanted the shiny new ones. They will get a tad cloudy with a lot of use, the quality is still there though. Highly recommended.